So yesterday what we did is we discussed about Android 8 and 9 features, right? So today we will concentrate on Android 10.0 and 11 features. So in Android 11 also we have around 10 features. So here also like it is similar, like some of the features are from the older version upgradations, and some of the features are new, but that is some of the features maybe it is copied from the other manufacturers as well. So like this Android 10.0. So Android 10.0 features. So in this 10.0, we have multiple features. So that is the first feature in this is, so like this is also like from the notification side, it is a little bit advanced thing as introduced. So that is like so notifications. First one is the notification. So in the previous versions also this notification is there. Here also the notification related content has updated. Like so any notification will come like, so for all notifications we can give the smart reply, like notification smart reply. Like how it will be, like I received one notification in WhatsApp, just instead of opening the complete application, I can reply that, okay, good morning, like that, without opening this completely. So you can reply for all notification messages, like anything, either it is email, okay, received, something, the related related message will display there. So there directly as a user we can reply that. So that is this. The next is the dark mode. So what is this dark mode? So this dark mode is also like it is activated by the battery saver option. Like this is already in Android 9.0 it is there, right? So it is requesting for longer time. Like when you are in a, means as a user side, whenever you want, you can enable the dark mode. Whenever you don't want, you can disable the dark mode. Like that it can be. And the next is a better sharing menu. So a better sharing menu. So that is like we have a better sharing menu compared to the previous, like Android many Android has like criticize of this sharing menu being slow, and it is slow. So for this Google has overhauled in this Android 10.0. So the new sharing menu is made to you like such faster than legacy menu, but it is also supposed to do a better job recommending contacts apps for the sharing. So like means similar, like any image. If I click on the image, so then I select the share, or if I click on the document, I select the share. Like if I create those all the things, it should be asking that share option. So this is the better sharing menu. Whatever the shareable options are available on your mobile, so those all can be listed there. From there you can easily share that. Right. Next is the focus mode. So what is that focus mode? So the one of the this prominent, this is the feature focus mode. This is an extension of the digital well-being suite. So in a previous version, there is a digital well-being option is there, right? So this is the extension for that. So that as the name suggests, this mode will be help to focus by graying out of the apps dim and extracting the hidden notifications. Like this is also, we can say, has a digital well-being. So get another feature that is integrated with parental control. Like so when my mail ID has logged in with different phone. So from there, like I can select the child phone. So if I select the child phone, so whatever the apps it is installed and what are the things I want to hide, so that kind of parental mode you can control from the your application. So you can easily control the features from there. That is. Next is the picker access to settings. So previously the settings is available inside of the menus, like you can go to menu and you can search this, but now it is easy to access the toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other connectivity apps. So this is a new pop-up window can summarize the certain features. Like from there easily you can turn on Wi-Fi, turn on Bluetooth, turn on other things that we can able to find similar, that is similar small features. Next is the a standard. So standard depth format. So what is the standard depth format? So Android 10 brings this new depth format, that is a dynamic depth format. It is open the door for the depth editing loads from the third-party apps. Like for example, here that any JPG or PNG or any other image format, if you want to edit, like Photoshop, how it could be editing without the pixel losing kind of thing, right? So the similar editing format feature is available in this, right? The next is the an improved, so an improved files app. So files app can be improved here, like file manager. So this file manager feature also we are seeing from last 4 or 5 versions. So here that is some of the features improved. This is compared to the previous, like it is improved. And the next is the overheld permissions. So this is the one of the advantage for the end user. So that is the overheld permissions. Like we can say, for example, when I install one application. So when I install one application, it is like it is asking the contacts permission, location permission, Google permission, like this. If it is asking the multiple permissions, so then instead of giving one by one permission, here we have a overheld option. So that we can say has a simply by within a single click. So automatically it will give all option, all the permissions at a single click. It will show the list of things. We are accessing this permission, this permission, this permission. So directly at a single click, user can give all the permissions. So that is one feature. Next is the Wi-Fi sharing. Wi-Fi sharing via QR codes. So Wi-Fi sharing via QR codes. So what is this Wi-Fi sharing via QR codes? Like if I want to share my hotspot feature to some of the others, so just you can open the hotspot feature. There the QR code is available. So which device you want to access, just by scanning that device, automatically you can get this feature. So automatically they can connect to your Wi-Fi. So that is the hotspot feature has enabled here. The next in this is that is like here Getcher. So Getcher's app, Getcher's app drawers. So Getcher's app drawers play nicely. So compared to the previous versions, so these all are like Getcher like means movement. So this early Android 10 previews introduced this comprehensive Getcher navigation. So such as sliding your finger inwards from the screen edge to go back, like rotating your fingers easily you can do this. That is unfortunately this Getcher did not work well in the navigation drawer menus. So this means users are wanting to these overflow menus might accidentally activate the backgetcher like this. Means some of the manufacturers it is working properly, some of them it is not doing. So for that, in this version, that is fixed those issues and it is released clearly with this. The next is the here Google Assistant. So Google Assistant handles, so that is like here easily you can assist the Google handles. Like what kind of Google Assist here? Like you want to switch Getcher navigation means that is longer activate Google Assistant via home screen. So you can activate assistance via inward of swipe to lower concerns of like from without doing that go settings, activate that, like without that simply you can activate with a single click that easily you can access with that. So that is introduced here. This next is the hearing. So next is the hearing aids. So hearing aids get hearing aids get streaming support. So this is the like so Bluetooth. So from the Bluetooth where user can hear properly, it is not this. So for that hearing aids, this protocol. So one of the new protocol has introduced to hear properly, that has introduced to this version has introduced that feature. Next is the security updates. Security updates via Play Store. So from the Play Store side, it is introduced a lot of security features has introduced. So in a previous version, these all are not there. Like a lot of security features has introduced in this version. So next is the wet and overeating. So wet and overeating. So that is like here we have the wet and overeat warning. So whenever we connect the battery charging, so then if it is having the any of the battery dry and battery full, like overeating there, so that kind of warnings and all it will give that even though if it is your battery is 100% of full, then it will stop the charging. It connected means it passing the charging into your mobile. So that kind of features has introduced in this. So these all are the features are there in our Android 10.0. So like we have three more, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So other 4 versions of the features are there. So like we'll wait for few minutes. Right now no one is there. If someone is there, we will continue now. Otherwise we'll continue on directly on Monday. We'll see. Okay, guys, we will continue directly on Monday.